In this video, we are going to learn about ordered list in HTML. OL element is an outer element to display list items, and LI element is used as an inner element to display list of items for ordered list. OL element uses three attributes. First attribute will be type. Type attribute helps to declare a specific type for ordered list to declare the items. So it uses 5 different specific types. First one will be lower alphabets, upper alphabets, lower Roman numbers, upper Roman numbers, and decimal numbers. These are 5 different types we can declare for ordered list items. Next attribute will be start. We can pass decimal numbers for start attribute as a value. If you want to display specific list for items, then we can declare starting number for start attribute. Consider I want to start list for items from E letter, then E letter will be a fifth letter. So if you want to start list for items from E, then we have to declare 5 for start attribute. This we will learn practically, then we will be able to understand the start attribute clearly. Next one will be reverse attribute. Reverse means list can be reversed by using reversed attribute. We can use CSS style to declare a type for items in an ordered list. So we can use list style type property to declare items in using the style. So we can pass different values for list style type property in CSS style. So first one will be decimal. We can declare a decimal numbers for a list of for items. Next one, decimal leading zeros means 0 will be preceded for every decimal numbers like 0, 1, 0, 2, like that it will display. Next one, lower alpha and lower Latin means these both properties are used to display alphabets in a lowercase letter. Next one, lower Greek. List will be displayed for items in a Greek. Upper alphabet and upper Latin both are helps to declare alphabets in a uppercase letters. And lower Roman numbers will be displayed in a lowercase. And none. If you don't want to declare any list type for items, then you can declare none, or else we can pass none value for list style type property. Next one, inherit. Disk will be displayed for specific list. There are many different type of list style types are there we can get in internet. Otherwise, if you want to know the link, then I will give in description. Then let's learn all these properties and attributes practically. So this is my program where I want to declare all these properties. So consider ordered list. Already I have told ordered list. OL tag is the outer tag to display the list. And inside this ordered list, there will be a list property to declare the items. So li, so JavaScript, next one is li css This is my list which I want to display on output screen. I am saving this. Refresh it here. So we can see I have not declared any specific type attribute for the list here. So we can see here that all lists are displaying in decimal numbers. This is the default list type for ordered list. So if you want to declare any specific different or means if you want to change the type for a list, then type attribute we have to declare inside the OL element. Type, then we can declare a I'm saving. This alphabet, small letter alphabet A will be displayed for ABC will be displayed for list of items. So if I want to start this list items from E alphabet, then we can declare start attribute here. Start equal to, from which letter we want to start? We want to start from E letter. E will be a fifth letter. So start attribute always uses the decimal numbers. So E letter will be fifth letter. So I am passing 5 for start. So I am refreshing here. We can observe E, F, G is displaying for list of items. Next one, already we have seen reversed attribute here. If I declare reversed, then we can see the list will be reversed for all the items. E, D, C. It is starting from fifth, so E. It is reversing from E. So E, D, C is displaying for this order list. So I am copying the same here. So if you want to declare uppercase alphabet, so capital A I am writing. So any starting number we can declare here. I am refreshing the same. I am removing reversed here. We can able to understand everything clearly. So we can see here E, F, G it is displaying because it is starting from E. So all letters list types are displaying in uppercase letter. So the same way we can declare Roman numbers. The same thing I am going to copy here. So here we have to declare specific list of items as a Roman number, small letter Roman numbers I am declaring. So small number Roman numbers are displaying here. It is starting from 5. I am removing start here. And this also I am removing reversed. So Roman number 1, 2, 3 will be displayed for all the list. Next one, or else we can declare capital Roman numbers as a I. You can see here all list types are displaying as a Roman number, uppercase Roman numbers. CSS styles also we can declare. So consider I am declaring one list here. So I am removing every attributes from this because these attributes I am declaring using CSS styles here. So if I did not declare any specific types here, so then list of item ordered list will be decimal numbers. So here is what I'm going to declare style tag above the body tag style. I'm closing this style tag. Here I will declare ID of a specific list. Here I have declared ID as a OL1. So that ID name I'm going to declare for specific style. Hash or ID should be preceded with hash symbol. So here is what list style type colon, and already we have seen many different type of ordered list here. So if you want to declare decimal we can use. So already we have seen here decimal number. So I want to declare decimal leading 0. The same thing I'm going to copy here. So semicolon and refresh here. So you can observe before it was serial number 1, 2, 3 was there. So now it is preceding leading 0 is leading for all the decimal numbers. So there are many are there. So lower Greek also we can see. The same thing I'm going to copy here. So we can observe lower Greek numbers are displaying here. If you don't want to display any list types for items, then we can declare none here. So we can see here. So list types are not displaying for these items. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you all understood how to declare list types for ordered list. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.